Yeah, I'm glad it's opened up now.
You stay away from this camera.
I think running Concurrent 24 years, so I think 10 years we're happy with it. It's just, I don't want to get home and this definitely is my daughter's, my DNA. So her personal life and her personal issues, let's just leave it as is, you know. I can't comment how she's feeling. Look, now the healing, that's it. It's just the healing. The healing process, look, it's just first and foremost, forget about this thing. I mean, this thing, I don't even want to come here anymore. This actually made me tired, it made me sick completely. I couldn't sleep for nights, couldn't even eat properly. So the way forward is to build my relationship with my daughter, and that's it. Getting out of the media eye, I mean, I think that's going to help our relationship with my daughter as well. So, yeah, it's as soon as you guys back off a bit, I think the healing will start.